I have a Segway F2 Pro and I use it quite often. For a long time I wanted to have the F series seat because I travel a long distance. I travel for an hour, 2 hours, sometimes 3, and standing for that long can absolutely tire you out. So after 6 months of having my Segway F2 Pro, I finally got the F series seat and I'll show you how to install it. I love that it comes with a 10-liter storage capacity bag, which is great to put your stuff in. I ordered my seat from official Segway website and the seat is for $199. I did put a code in there which you can find in my description. If you put this code in, you might get a little discount plus addition of the shipping, but I think a little bit of discount is better. Inside the box you'll find instructions, some other spare parts like covers. Also you will get 2 brackets for each side of the scooter, along with the screws and an Allen key with it. The kick scooter seat is 60 mm thick and has added padding for comfort while riding. This seat is also 60% larger than a conventional kick scooter. This gives you added suspension while riding. The bag is a really cool addition. I love the bright orange color of it. Yes, it is entirely made of plastic. I guess that is to make it lightweight. It has zippers on both the sides. It can open from both the sides. Let's start assembling. The first thing you have to do is take the brackets out and attach them to the base of the seat. Screw on the brackets, but make sure it's not very tight. Then take the seat stand and put it on top of the scooter base and slide it backwards till wherever you think the position suits you. Once you're happy with the position, just tighten the screws and there you go, you're done. Lastly, screw in these panels so that it looks aesthetically good. This groove on the seat is attached to the latch here, which is located underneath the seat. Just slide it in and then screw it from behind. This is how it looks after the seat is installed. The seat looks very cool and I have ridden the scooter and it works really well and is very comfortable to ride. The only thing I don't like is these bag zippers. They are too close to the seat and can be a bit of a trouble to open and close. The storage inside is great. I can fit a bottle, my locks, the charger, everything, but just opening and closing it can be a bit painful. Apart that, I love this product and I highly recommend it for the people who use Segway regularly. The best thing is you can still fold your handle down. It will not lock in its place, but I think this is good enough for you to put it in your car boot, as folding the scooter makes it much easier to carry around in your car. Additionally, the Allen key that comes with the scooter seat can be secured in the slot at the back of the seat. I believe this is a brilliant feature in case you need it while riding. I hope this video has helped you in some way. Check out my other videos and see you later.